So now we're going to look at an exterior angle of a triangle. So an exterior angle is just kind of what it sounds like. Exterior means outside. So to find an exterior angle, you just continue one of the sides, and then the angle that's formed on the outside is your exterior angle. And then remote interior angles. So like remote, not like a remote control necessarily, but like a remote island. It's out in the middle of nowhere. It's not touching anything. It's just off by itself. That's what this means here for remote interior angles. Not the one that's right next to it, but the other two. So the other two angles are the remote interior angles. So the exterior angle theorem says that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. So the exterior angle equals the two interiors over there. Not the one right next to it, but the other two. So an exterior angle equals the sum of its remote interior angles. So the exterior angle, 145, is equal to, not the angle right next to it, but the other two, added up. 2z plus 5z minus 2. The other two angles added up. So solve that out. You get 7z. Add the 2 over, you get 147. So z equals 21. But the question says find the measure of angle B. So you need to plug in 21 right there. So 5 times 21 minus 2. That's 105 minus 2 is 103 degrees. So for this next example, we've got an exterior angle right here, the 3x minus 8. The exterior equals the sum of the remote interior. So the two interior angles over here, not right next to it, add those up, you get, that's 90 degrees plus x plus 2. Now we have an equation. We do a little bit of algebra. Subtract the x, you get 2x. 92, we'll add the 8. It's 100. So x equals 50. And it's to find the measure of angle PRS. PRS. That's the exterior angle, so we'll plug in the 50 and get our answer. 3 times 50 is 150. Minus 8 is 142 degrees. So the exterior angle equals the sum of the remote interior angle. So these two angles added up, 63 plus 3x plus 7 equals the exterior angle, 5x plus 50. So 3x, 63 and 7 is 70. Subtract the 3x over here, we get 2x. Subtract the 50 over, you get 20. So x equals 10. And now we answer the question. Find the measure of angle N. So we'll plug in 10 times 3 is 30, plus 7, 37 degrees. Number 12 is a little bit more difficult because it's not all filled in for you. You kind of have to read it and come up with the equation a little bit from the sentence. So it says the exterior angle is 150. That's marked for us. The measure of angle D is twice the measure of angle E. So whatever the measure of angle E is, we'll call it X. D is twice that amount. So 2 times X, 2X. So the exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. So x plus 2x is 3x. So x equals 50. And then it says find the measure of the two angles. So if x is 50, that means measure of angle E is 50 degrees. And then the measure of angle D would be 2 times 50 is 100.